This is in Hardy, Arkansas. Look at this. This is really bad. Flooded up to...
Yo, that whole business is underwater, fam. That whole building.
almost to the roof of that building. That's a car. Oh my goodness. And there's a Valero gas station. 40 Island Creek in Hardy, Arkansas is not passable. This is bad news.
Yeah. There goes our house.
Was that somebody just driving through that? Yo, this is... Yo, what is this? Like the 10th situation we've seen happen like that this year already? This is insane, man. Like, I keep saying the planet just ain't happy with us right now, and it's punishing us for no reason. Well, it probably got its reasons, but we feel like it's for no reason.
This is...
Yo, prayers to everybody out there, man. This is I'm praying for everybody, bro. It's insane, man. Meanwhile, you know what? I ain't even gonna say it. You know what I was about to say though.